The 2026 Audi RS6 Avant represents the pinnacle of Audi's long-standing tradition of blending thrilling performance with everyday practicality. As a flagship performance wagon under the RS Rennsport badge, with refreshed styling, next-generation technology, and a refined powertrain, the 2026 RS6 Avant continues to define what a super wagon should be. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi RS6 Avant continues with its legendary 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, now enhanced with 48-volt mild hybrid technology for better efficiency and throttle response. The engine delivers 661 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque, a significant bump over the previous model. Power is routed through an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission to Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system with RS torque splitter, which actively distributes power between the rear wheels for sharper handling. Thanks to launch control and all-wheel traction, the RS6 Avant rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, with an electronically limited top speed of 155 miles per hour, or up to 190 miles per hour with the Dynamic Plus package. Yet despite these numbers, the RS6 remains composed and civilized in everyday driving. Audi has refined the adaptive air suspension, which adjusts damping in real time to optimize comfort or performance. An optional RS Sport suspension with dynamic ride control (DRC) further tightens handling by hydraulically minimizing body roll and pitch. The steering system, including rear-wheel steering, allows for improved agility at low speeds and enhanced stability at high speeds. The 2026 RS6 Avant takes the aggressive look of its predecessor and sharpens it with more aerodynamic precision and modern elegance. The grille is framed by gaping air intakes and a deeper front splitter, communicating the car's performance intent at first glance. The body features wide RS-specific fender flares to accommodate its broader track and larger wheels, now standard at 22 inches with performance tires. A more sculpted hood and side skirts contribute to improved airflow and an athletic profile, while the rear features a new aerodynamic diffuser, OLED taillights with animation sequences, and dual oval exhaust outlets that emit a signature RS soundtrack. The 2026 Audi RS6 Avant is a masterclass in blending opposites. It's as fast as a supercar, as comfortable as a luxury sedan, and as practical as a mid-size SUV. For enthusiasts who refuse to compromise, the RS6 Avant delivers unmatched versatility, high-performance driving, and cutting-edge technology in a timeless package.